Hello guys, this is Sonali. Today in this video I am going to explain how to find out the reverse of a given input number using C language syntax and how to find a reverse number of a given number. Okay, let's start the program. So here the reverse number of a program in C. First of all I will tell what is mean by reverse number. Reverse number means to change the direction, position, result, etc. Now, first of all, I am including header file hash include standard input output dot h. Then I am including main function int main, including main function. I am taking variables number is equal to 1 2 3 4, then reverse is equal to 0, then another variable is remainder. Then while condition n is greater than 0, then remainder is equal to n modulus 10, then reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder, then n is equal to n divided by 10, then I will print message printf reverse is comma reverse, then return value is 0, then close main function. Now see here, I will take value n is equal to 1 2 3 4, then go to file condition 1 2 3 4 is greater than 0, yes, condition is true, then remainder is equal to n modulus 10, n value is 1 2 3 4 modulus 10, remainder is 4, then next condition reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder, reverse value initially 0 into 10, 0 plus remainder is 4, then reverse value is 4, then go to next condition, n is equal to n divided by 10, n value is 1 2 3 4 divided by 10, then required result is 1 2 3, then go to file condition 1 2 3 is greater than 0, condition is true, then remainder is equal to n modulus 10, n value is 1 2 3 modulus 10, remainder is 3, Then go to next condition. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Reverse value is 4 into 10, 40 plus remainder is 3, 43. Then go to next condition. N is equal to n divided by 10. N value is 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. Then result is 12. Then go to while condition. N value is 12 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition, remainder is equal to n modulus 10. N value is 12 modulus 10, remainder is 2. Then go to next condition, reverse is equal to reverse in 10. Reverse value is initial 43 into 10 plus remainder is 2. Value is 432. Then go to next condition, n divided by 10. N value is 12 divided by 10. Result is 1. Then go to while condition. Number is 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Then go to next condition. N modulus 10. N value is 1 modulus 10. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now go to next condition. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Reverse value is 432 into 10 plus remainder is 1. Result is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then go to next condition. N is equal to n divided by 10. N value is 1 divided by 10. Result is 0. Now go to while condition. 0 is greater than 0. Condition is false. Now stop here. Now we will run this program. Reverse number is 4, 3, 2, 1. Suppose I will take value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will run this program. Reverse value is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is about program. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.